What is ethical robot decision-making? Imagine a robot making choices that could affect human lives or safety. How does it decide what is right or wrong? That's what ethical robot decision-making is all about. It's a process where robots, especially those with the ability to act on their own, are programmed to follow moral rules. These rules help them choose actions that are responsible, fair, and safe. At the heart of this process are core principles like beneficence, which means doing good and promoting positive outcomes. Non-maleficence means avoiding harm to people or other beings. Autonomy respects the rights and freedom of users or those affected by the robot's actions. Justice ensures decisions are fair and unbiased. These principles guide robots in making morally acceptable choices. The decision-making process in robots usually follows a sequence similar to how humans think. First, they gather information from sensors about their environment. Then, they analyze this data to understand what's happening. Next, they come up with different options for what they could do. After that, they evaluate these options based on ethical rules or theories. Finally, they pick the best action and carry it out. Robots can use different methods to evaluate their choices. Some follow utilitarianism, which means they choose the action that results in the greatest good for the most people. Others follow deontological ethics, which means they stick to fixed moral rules regardless of the outcome. Some robots even learn from experience, improving their ethical decision-making over time. To make sure robots behave ethically, they are programmed with specific rules and procedures. For example, a robot might be programmed not to share personal data without permission, or it might have algorithms that check if its decisions are fair and safe. Sometimes, humans oversee or review robot decisions, especially in complex situations. This kind of decision-making is especially important in areas like autonomous vehicles, medical robots, or service robots. For example, a self-driving car might need to decide how to respond in an accident scenario while prioritizing safety and fairness. Medical robots must follow strict rules to protect patient safety and respect consent. Service robots need to respect privacy and treat everyone fairly. In short, ethical robot decision-making is about programming robots to act responsibly and morally. It combines moral principles with structured decision processes to ensure robots make choices that society can trust. As robotics and artificial intelligence continue to grow, making sure robots act ethically will be key to their acceptance and safe integration into our lives.